Derek Brockway has been your weatherman for nearly 30 years, but what if AI could predict the forecast better and faster? What if weather forecasts came not from satellites alone, but from synthetic brains? Welcome to Future Forward, where tech meets everyday life. Today, we're diving into how artificial intelligence could change the way we predict the weather and why industries like farming, aviation, and energy are betting big on it. Weather forecasting isn't just about choosing an outfit. It's about protecting farms and crops, planning safe flights, optimizing wind and solar energy, and with climate change fueling more intense storms, floods, and heat waves, traditional forecasting models are struggling to keep up. Even veteran forecasters like Derek Brockway have seen it firsthand. The job is getting harder. So where does AI fit in? AI isn't just smart, it's fast. New models like GraphCast, built by Google DeepMind, are already outperforming some of the world's best forecasting systems, predicting global weather days in advance, in minutes instead of hours. Here's what AI brings to the table: faster computation using deep learning, real-time integration of satellite and sensor data, global simulations with higher resolution. Imagine forecasting a hurricane path in seconds and saving thousands of lives. AI learns from millions of past forecasts and adjusts with new data every hour. It's not about replacing human experts. It's about enhancing their tools. In 2026 and beyond, we could see hyperlocal forecasts down to your street, personalized weather alerts based on your activity, climate modeling that predicts decades into the future with unprecedented clarity. Industries like shipping, construction, disaster planning are investing in AI forecasting to reduce risk and maximize efficiency. And for your daily forecast, don't worry, Derek's still got a role. Because while AI can crunch the numbers, it can't deliver the news with a smile yet. But will future forecasts come from meteorologists or machine minds? AI is rewriting the rules of weather prediction with faster models, smarter systems, and life-saving accuracy. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to give your daily forecast? Drop your thoughts below. Like if you've ever checked the weather and it was totally wrong. Subscribe to Future Forward for more stories where AI meets your everyday world. Next up, how AI is transforming disaster response systems worldwide.